Hi, I'm Mr. Huber, and in this video we're going to talk about exercise 15. In a rectangle with sides A 2.8 and B 4.5, find the acute angle at the intersection of the diagonals. Well, these are the diagonals, and an acute angle is always between 0 and 90 degrees. An obtuse angle is between 90 and 180 degrees. You have to know these words. Obviously, in this case, this will be the acute angle, okay? This is the larger one. It's greater than 90 degrees. This one is between 0 and 90 degrees. So let's label this one gamma. Now look, we have to look out for right-angled triangles because we don't have a right-angled triangle here. So what we do, we draw the height for this triangle. It's an isosceles triangle. Let's draw this height here. Well, we know this is B halves, half of the line B, and this is A halves, and this is gamma halves. What we want is gamma. So we could say tangent of gamma halves is opposite over adjacent, And look what happens. You can multiply A halves by 2 over B by the reciprocal, and you can say, well, tangent gamma halves is A over B. And what you see that the explanation for this is this triangle is actually similar to this triangle. So this one here will be gamma halves too. You don't have to notice that. You can use A halves and B halves and plug in the numbers. That would have worked. But it's just a fun fact to see that this triangle here is actually a smaller version of this triangle here. So now you plug in everything you know. So tangent gamma halves. Then we use A is 2.8 and B is 4.5. So I don't have to divide these numbers by 2. Then we need to work out the arc tangent, the inverse tangent. So gamma halves is arc tangent 4.8 over 2.8 over 4.5, sorry. 2.8 over 4.5. And then before I type this in, I'm going to isolate gamma. It's 2 times the arc tangent of 2.8 over 4.5. So let's type this in. 2 times arc tangent, tangent to the minus 1, the inverse tangent, 2.8 divided by 4.5. Here we go. And this is it. Gamma is approximately equal to 63.78 degrees. Please, you don't have to do it like this. It's just a fun fact. You could have done it like this. You could have said gamma halves, and then 2.8 divided by 2, that's 1.4. You use A halves. And then 4.5 divided by 2, 2.25. And then you work out gamma halves. That's just arc tangent of 1.4 over 2.25. Let's do that. 1.4 divided by 2.25. Here we go. So gamma halves is approximately equal to 31 times 8, 9. Then you multiply that by 2, and you get gamma is approximately equal to 63.78 degrees. So you could have done it like this. It's just a fun fact to do it like this and see the relationship between the smaller triangle and the larger triangle. I hope it wasn't too difficult. See you in the next one.